Welcome to the Erie Island Service Plaza. We are back on the Ohio Turnpike. My voice feels a little better. This is just a quick bathroom stop, and in about another hour, we're gonna stop at one of these for lunch, and then hopefully get one more in real quick before we exit Ohio. And these all pretty much look the same, obviously. I don't really feel like going on about how I miss the old ones right now, but should I try to find another Ohio souvenir today? Maybe. I have a t-shirt. Guess we can take a look at where we are on the travel board. We are right below Cleveland.
Ohio Turnpike. Tap a button on the screen for attraction information.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, don't need any snacks or anything. Lunch is coming up soon. Just looking for the gifty items. Yes. Yeah, we have keychains. I don't really do keychains much. Non-Ohio stuff, coffee, more keychains, more snacks. Oh, interesting. What's this? Yeah, I'm sure that's got a bunch of shovelware in it. $20. Toys and stuff. Not a ton of Ohio stuff, unfortunately. This one's kind of limited. Ooh, can I get another Ohio bag? Well, that's kind of girly, but that'd be interesting. Yeah, this would be more like the one. Yeah, this is definitely similar to my Ohio bag. I probably picked up my original Ohio bag at one of these. Back at the old school service plazas. Oh, random keychain that says Maine on it. That's interesting. Yeah, just like one of them. If I need a keychain that says Maine, this is probably the best time to get it, because when am I ever going to be out in Maine? I don't even know when I'm going to be back in New York again. That's a little disappointed. Like I said, I got the t-shirt. I don't really need a sweatshirt. This would be a good sweatshirt if I wanted to get one. Well, we have at least a couple more of these to go yet, so maybe we'll find something in one of those. Yeah, gift shops never seem as good at the newer design Oasises. Yeah, I mean, a couple crane machines, but definitely no arcade machines. Unfortunately. It's just a sweatshirt. Yeah, kind of a lightish sweatshirt. $30. It's small anyway, it won't fit me, but I do like that design. Alright, on to the next one. My daughter's got an Ohio keychain now. Mad respect there. Welcome to a windy Erie Island Service Plaza. Just a little east of Toledo. Storms are definitely coming. We will hit them most likely sometime in Indiana. Right now it is sunny. Definitely a chance of some severe storms. See what happens. Let's take a look at our map. We are here at Erie Islands. I think we were at the one on the other side on the way up here, if I'm not mistaken. And then we're gonna probably stop at this one here, out in Williams County, Ohio, right before we get in Indiana. Ooh, the official 2025 guide. Maybe I should pick that up, put it in my Ohio bag. We got Baskin Robbins, Dunkin' over here. Interesting. First one I seen on this side here. That's different. Take a look at the gift shops as well. Should I get an Ohio hat? Yeah, this is the t-shirt I got on the way up here. Pretty sure. Pennsylvania. I wonder if that was a local thing. Sort of. I mean, I could get a coffee cup, but I don't drink coffee. Rarely use these cups. What the heck is this? Little tumbler thing. More keychains. Alright, now it's time to take a look at some food. Not Dunkin'. Oh man, they have a Sbarro. I saw the sign. Interesting. That gives me some idea. Kind of makes me think of the Illinois Tollway Oasis. And mall visits, of course. If I can get one of the little spaghetti things, that'll be perfect. We had Panda on the way up here at one of these service plazas. No, I don't think they have anything except the pizza, unfortunately. Oh, that stinks. Well, let's check on that. I don't want a pizza. Yeah, that's a bummer. I like the Stromboli thing, but I like their spaghetti. Yep, no go. Just the pizza. I said I did pan on the way up, so I might do Burger King now. The Toledo Zoo. Yep, I was there once. Yeah, this is quite a long time ago. Definitely would love to get back. I want to get back to Toledo officially. Oh yeah. One day eventually, a solo road trip to Toledo will happen. It's been planned. It's been in the works for a long time, but stuff has happened. Economy, inflation, gas prices, life in general. But boy, do I have a plan, and it's still saved in my email. I actually sort of wanted to do it this year to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the channel, but now with this New York trip and what it's cost me, yeah, that's probably not going to happen. I actually think it was like 2022 or something like that when I originally wanted to do this, but everything started jumping up price-wise with inflation and all that. Yeah, cut that out pretty quick. All right, we have BK where we roll.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so probably one more stop in Ohio. It's already starting to cloud up a bit. And then we'll see what Indiana holds for us. It's going to be interesting. All right, let's do one more minute. Yeah, this seems to be the least scratched up. I'll go with this. Hey, there's Marianne. Hello from Ohio. Ohio. Down in Ohio. Skippity, Ohio.
No.
Skippity Riz, Ohio. Is that what it is?
That's not him. The kids don't want.
Ohio Riz. Mom's got Ohio Riz.
We gotta go find.
And welcome to a slightly drizzly Indian Meadow Service Plaza, the last westbound service plaza on the Ohio Turnpike before we get to Indiana. Yep, this is our last chance until who knows when to visit an Ohio gift shop. Get an Ohio souvenir.
I know.
And then I will put you in Starbucks.
Well, they have a little different gift shop here. It's one of the 7-Eleven ones. Maybe we'll find something cool there. They don't have the same sort of nostalgia feels as the old school ones and the Charlie General Store, but I'll take it. Take another look at the map, I guess, and like I said, we're on the last westbound one. We're about to enter Indiana. And some storms that are definitely coming. We will hit them. Just a matter of when. This one looks a little different. And I think partially because, if I remember correctly, this one was one of the last ones to be built some significant time after the other ones. Of course, Charlie General Store was the only old school one that remained open for the longest time. They took out the Charlie General Store, but kept the service plaza open, and they closed a few years ago now, maybe a little bit more than that even at this point. I'm not exactly sure. And then he opened up the big open road toll plaza there. But I believe this westernmost one was added slightly after the others. Could be mistaken. Now, of course, this one has the spaghetti, unlike the other one. Go figure. Well, I'm not hungry now. Jeez. Yeah. Wanted your spaghetti at the other one. You never had it. Oh, and here's the Ohio State symbol. Just noticed that. What if they all had that or not? Well, that's kind of cool. I haven't noticed that out of the others yet. That's neat. All right, let's take a look at the 7-Eleven gift shop. Oh man, do I miss arcade games. I think I've told you guys about the one lone original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pinball game that I used to always play at one of the middle of the state service plazas. Oh, that was fun. Oh, more magnets, so I already got 2 of them, so. But there is a few interesting things here, though. Shot glasses. More keychains. We got mugs, coffee cups. Not bad. Nothing particular though. Oh, that's from Wicked. Oh, that's cute. I think just regular food items mostly here. Yep. Yeah, they have a lot of good magnets, but I don't really need 3 Ohio magnets. I'm sure I have 1 or 2 from previous visits anyway. Ooh, they're playing Dave Matthews. My soul, sweet you rockin', sweet you roll. For you I so lost, for you. Oh, crash into me, baby. And that is gonna do it for our adventure here on the Ohio Turnpike. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film in Indiana with the weather, but stay tuned. If there's something interesting, I will try to document for you. If there's cows flying around the field or something, I'll video that if I can, and we'll just see how the rest of the drive goes.